Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to loop video in Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, there is no direct way to edit or to loop your videos from edits directly. That means you will be needing to go through Instagram and then you can start edits on that video on the Instagram edits. So first, you will be needing to simply click on Instagram, and after that, you will need just to click on the plus button so you can start creating footage. So after that, we will need just to go to story, and then you will be needing to go to boomerang. And as you can see, it already has this infinity icon, and then you will be able to start uh, recording your video, and it will start looping automatically. After you finish looping, you will or recording, you will be needing just to simply save this video to your camera roll, and then you can go to edits, and after that you will start a new project, and then you will be able to import that looped video. After doing that, you will be needing just to go and click on done, and then you will be able to simply start editing on that video, and you will start adding your edits. So as you can see, you can click on this edit menu and you will find all these editing panel or this toolbar. Then you can click on any tool and you will be able to start adding elements to this video. You can add audio to your video. You can also have some sound effects that are only in Instagram edits, and even you can have some effects on your footage by clicking on effects, and it will have some effects if you would like. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.